Connecting KuCoin Futures to MetaTrader 5 provided by the TradingFinder group. Traders can simply and easily download the expert file from this section, and to thoroughly learn how the expert service works and operates in detail, they can read through this page. From the Navigator section, we run the expert file. Before running the expert file, we go to the Tools tab, then to the Options section and enter the Expert Advisors tab. In the lower part, we enable the Allow WebRequest option. By enabling this option, in the lower section, we need to enter the URL link related to the KuCoin Perpetual Futures Exchange in this field. We need to place it here. To get the link, you can simply copy it from the website and paste it in this section and then click the Confirm button. After confirming, I will run the expert file here. And the message indicating that the expert file has been executed will appear for me in the expert section, saying that 424 pairs have been detected. I go to the Market Watch section, right-click here, go to the Symbols section, open the Custom folder, then the KuCoin Futures folder, and here we can see the 424 pairs. In this section, I choose a width of my choice. I open the chart for the selected pair, and here the chart is displayed for me. At the bottom, we can see the message related to the selected pair, indicating that 995 candles have been fetched from the KuCoin exchange and displayed for us. This service transfers the coins and pairs available on the KuCoin exchange to MetaTrader 5 so that we can perform our analyses on this platform. This expert advisor receives real-time futures market data through KuCoin's official API and displays them for us as price charts. We enter the settings section, and in the input section there are only two options available to us here. In the first section, we can set the number of candles that it retrieves from the KuCoin exchange and displays for us, with a minimum of 300 candles and a maximum of 10,000 candles that we can specify here. The next section is for when we want to open two or more charts of the same symbol and want their number of candles to be equal. For example, we have a symbol and we have executed different charts of that symbol. If we have set this input to true, the candle of each chart is equal to 1,000 candles. If we have set this option to false, the chart with the higher time frame will take the candles from the chart with the lower time frame and use them to construct its own candles. For better understanding, for example, I'll open another chart of the same symbol. We see the data in the bottom section clearly showing me that a total of 995 candles were fed in, and the second chart also shows me the same symbol but with a plus symbol, so we can examine the 995 candles here as well. Here I can easily move between different time frames. Also in the first chart, I can easily switch between different time frames as well. And I can do my own analyses on this chart. But if I set this option to phase mode, which is a specific setting that changes how charts are linked, and then open a second chart window that displays the exact same trading symbol as the first one, the currencies I choose to open will automatically be shown for me in the 1 hour time frame without needing to manually adjust the time frame for each new chart. This makes it much more convenient to analyze multiple charts at once. The second chart that has been opened for me is set to the same time frame as my first chart, which is displayed with 995 candles. However, when I change the time frame on the chart, let's say for example I switch from the default daily view to the 4 hour time frame, it then displays approximately 250 candles within this visible section of the chart. This means that by adjusting the time frame setting, the chart updates to show a different number of candles, each representing a 4 hour period, so the total number of candles visible in this area changes accordingly. The reason is that the candles displayed for me in the 4 hour time frame here are generated by taking the candlestick data from my first chart, which is set to the 1 hour time frame, and then creating the 4 hour candles for me in this section. And if I switch to the daily time frame, you'll see that the number of candles decreases accordingly. Be sure to keep in mind that if this particular option is set to phase, we can only move to time frames that are higher than the very first chart, and we cannot switch to any lower time frames at all. For example, when I try to switch to the 30-minute time frame, it doesn't display the correct data for me. The data shown is not accurate, and this limitation is important to remember when using this setting. Every tick that occurs on the KuCoin exchange is captured by this expert based on its high, low, open, and close data. It constructs the candlesticks, and with each tick that is generated, the prices are updated in the MetaTrader 5 platform and the candlesticks are displayed for us. Here we can easily analyze the candlesticks. Well, friends, there's nothing else left to say about this service. We've reached the end of the Expert Advisor tutorial. I'd be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.